Hello, this is Erwin from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Do you want to know how you can display the product SKUs that will be included on the kit or package creation on your website? Multisoft has an option right now wherein you can create product kits where the products included on the kit are the individual products that have been added on the website. To allow the products to be selected as part of the kit, you need to log in as an admin, and then you go to the admin menu, Products, Product Management, Products. On the product page, click on the product name, and then proceed on clicking on the Kit Settings tab. Enable the flag for product is available for kit, and hit on the Save and Close button. This will now allow your products to appear as SKUs that can be selected during kit creation. So right now, if you now proceed and click on one of the kits on your system and go to the SKU tab, alright, and then click on the SKU name, if you now go into the included SKUs tab, you should now be able to see the products that we have set as available for kit to be an product that is optional that can be selected on this particular kit creation. So what they just need to do, they just need to put a check mark, include the number of quantities, and enter what will be the sales suggested and wholesale price based on the kit creation. The product is available for kit is an essential tool in order to successfully create kits that you can offer to your customers and distributors. Please share this webinar training with your company admin and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions regarding this or any other trainings, or would like to schedule a training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with one of our Multisoft account executive, please call us at 239-945-6433 or submit the help desk ticket at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com. Thank you.